Hey guys, David Miller here with Gemini BIM. Today's topic is going to be on creating vertical piping at 45 degrees from a main to create branches. The traditional method, probably that most people use, is just creating a section and then just you know rolling the pipe in section view. This is probably the most common method I know of, getting the desired result. But if you had, you know, dozens of these, they were all going to be the same, which is the scenario that we found ourselves in recently, and the designer, engineer didn't want to um, have to move this section to each branch to create the takeoffs. Not that it's difficult, just he was wanting alternate solution, and what we decided on was to use the slope capabilities of the pipe within Revit. So for the second method, we'll go to the MEP settings, mechanical settings, slopes, and then new slope, and going to do a 12-inch over 12-inch rise run. So now to create the vertical drop at 45 degrees, we'll just use the sloping capabilities of Revit. So I'm going to slope down, choose the 12 by 12, and because we know for every inch of run we're going to have an inch of drop, so just a little bit of math in our head. If I want my branch to be at 8'6", then I will draw or model coming off, and then I'll specify 6 inches, because I know for every 6 inches of travel it's going to drop an inch. Then we'll turn the slope off. Then if I move this section, we have our pipe at 45 degrees and at 8'6". So that was the method that we came up with, was just using the slope capabilities within Revit. So again, if I only wanted to come, we'll do 4 inches, which would be a 8'8". So if I select that 8'8" at a section, should be the desired angle that we need. So that's what we come up with as a alternate to moving the section around. I think both of them work. Personally, for some reason, I guess just because it's what I'm most used to, is the section view. But as long as you're cognizant about checking and unchecking the slope, we've used this method also with some good success. So that's this week's video, guys. Is just alternate method and creating a vertical pipe coming off at 45 degrees. Thanks, guys.